Hey, come on in. I'm Aaron Delgado. Nice to meet you. Welcome to our office. We'll give you the guided tour. So, this is our lovely state-of-the-art reception. In here is where we clone dinosaurs. Actually, no, this is our lobby. Our beautiful fish tank to keep you calm and soothed and tranquil while you wait. Our office has 3 conference rooms. This is the first conference room right here. And come on this way, I'll show you around. It's Ashley, our receptionist. She'll greet you when you come in, buzz you back through our high security doors. This is the inner hive where all the busy work gets done. That's the accounting department. You don't want to go there. This is where we keep Matt chained up during the day. More critical operations, the nerve center. We have Anna, our support staff. We have another conference room in here. We call it the library. It doubles as our state-of-the-art YouTube production facilities. My terribly messy office where no one should tread. And this is the piece de resistance, what I call the glass conference room, a tribute to my misspent childhood, where I keep all the toys my parents never bought for me. So come on in, I'm going to show you around and do some 80s nostalgia. We'll kick it off with some original 1978, I think, Millennium Falcon. This thing is older than I am. We've got some just an assortment of movie and pop culture memorabilia. A lot of this stuff is things clients have given me over the years. They know that I'm into this kind of stuff, and so they'll drop it off. We've got, everything from the Pez dispensers to the Star Wars lightsabers. We've got Thanos' Infinity Gauntlet up there. A whole bunch of Transformers, classic He-Man and Battle Cat. We got the Terminator skull, Boba Fett's helmet, the money counter, critical part of every lawyer's office. We've got some AT-ATs, the small ones, I forget what they're called. Got a collection of Funko Pops and comic books. Down there, we've got the self-transforming Optimus Prime. Hey, Optimus Prime, transform and roll out. Hey, Optimus Prime, transform and roll out. Now, if your lawyer doesn't have a self-transforming Optimus Prime, you have to seriously consider whether they're in the right place. We've got some autographed movie posters. This is Batman Begins. We've got all the original trilogy lightsabers. And then over here, some other cool stuff. I'm not one of those lawyers who pretends I'm an awesome guitarist or anything like that. This guitar was given to me by my friend, the guitarist from Slipknot. They used it on the You Are Not Like Us tour. So this has been in Japan and all over the world. We've got a couple more original Star Wars. There's Darth Vader's TIE Fighter Interceptor. We got Boba Fett's Slave One. I don't know if you can still say that today, but that's what it was called, so I can say it. We've got Soundwave, the transforming Decepticon, and he has the little cassettes that eject into, I think, Rumble, Beatbox, and a couple of others, which I don't have yet, so if you want to send me something nice, there you go. Kylo Ren's lightsaber, and then this is probably one of the coolest things in here. This is an original Star Wars poster. It has, I think, almost everyone from the original cast on here, including David Prowse, who was the body double or who's the body of Darth Vader, so that's pretty cool. Yoda's lightsaber up there. The original lightsabers. Coming back over here, we have, Wall Street. No child of the 80s, no businessman born in the 80s can go anywhere without a Greed is Good Wall Street poster. Got some Dune memorabilia. We have the Hero's Sword and Duril from Lord of the Rings. We got Jon Snow's sword. Link's sword, the Master Sword from Zelda. And then, of course, what is good in life, Conan, to have replicas of the Conan sword, the Atlantean sword. And then we have our Funko Pops and more pop culture. Huge fan of the practice. This show taught me more about practicing law than anything in law school. We've got assorted Funko Pops, got some Rick and Morty, some Avengers, Lord of the Rings, just a good wide collection, Harry Potter stuff. Boston Legal, the spin-off of the practice. Good show, but certainly not as great as the practice. And of course 24, just because you can't go wrong with Kiefer Sutherland. Some more lightsabers over here. And then my vanity box for my one and only MMA fight up there. And there you have it. That's the guided tour of our Daytona Beach location. We hope we never have to meet, but if we do, at least now you've seen the headquarters and you know what it's like. You have a little bit of insight into our personality, such as it is. So if that didn't scare you off and you need help, give us a call. Happy to help.